Ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for coming this afternoon. If some of you have individual complaints or issues you want to raise, our staff are here in the front. The names are Robin and Tupo, and you can give them your specific problems or challenges that you may have. As I've said, the issues that you have raised this afternoon have been noted. They have, of course, been noted by the administrator also, and we work closely with them. Some of them obviously can be resolved quite quickly and easily. Some of them obviously we need to put some thought to it. We need to think about it very carefully because it does have precedent-setting value or precedent impact as far as decision making. For example, town areas, the extension of boundaries, the rates within farming areas. But there are other issues that can be resolved almost immediately. We wish to, I think, what we would like to do, so at least you feel that you are being made part and parcel of the decision-making process. We hope to, within a short period of time, have another notice where you can come to another meeting where we can then raise some of the issues. Hopefully there won't be any more, but at least to give you some feedback. Either we'll be here or the administrator himself will be able to call a forum where you'll be able to hear from him exactly what are the solutions that have been provided to the issues that you have raised today. So thank you very much for coming again this afternoon. And my apologies for the delay, and I'll hand over to you.